Welcome back, everybody. I'm Travis with Linux Academy. In this lesson, we're going to start going over the order of execution in a Docker file. As we go and build out a Docker file, we add instructions. And these instructions are going to be executed in a linear fashion, starting at the top and making its way down to the bottom. You need to understand that it's important how you order your instructions. Let's start by getting our environment set up. CD into Docker images. We're going to create a new directory called CentOS-conf. Go and CD into that directory and create the new Docker file. You can find these instructions in the description of this video. The reason why order of execution is so important and the reason why we need to understand it is that sometimes some instructions are dependent on others. A good example is when we go and set cloud user. If cloud user does not exist, this instruction here is going to fail. To demonstrate this, I'm going to go and comment it out, and we're going to go and build the image. When I execute the Docker image build, it fails. And the reason why is because it can't find the cloud user. Now I'm going to go and uncomment the instruction to make sure that our user is created first before we go and set it. Now take a good look at this file. See if you can find the traps I've set up in it. Let's go save and quit and execute the build again. Now we're trying to go and create a directory called etc myconf, and we're getting permission denied. When we go and look at the Docker file, we are going and setting cloud user, and then we're trying to execute a command that is only reserved for super user or root. Because we are the cloud user at this point, when makedir is executed in etc, we don't have permissions. And the same thing here when I go and echo out some data into the conf file. So to make this work right, we need to make sure that these instructions are executed before we set the cloud user. Now everything should work right. That's all I have for this lesson. Go ahead and mark it complete.